So Kevin, what's the ranking of this out of 1 to 10?
10 plus.
Alright.
Plus, you're missing another one.
Alright. Let her rip.
Uh-oh. It's this one or
Spice induces hiccups?
Oh yeah.
It does?
Yeah. His body's going, what did you just do?
wait.
Oh my god. That's
I didn't
spicy.
know Spice could do that.
Oh,
You need some water,
I
Kevin?
guess I've never eaten nothing spicy then.
Yeah, if you've never had
Stick out your tongue?
you have no idea. That's my
Oh man, let me see your tongue. Oh man, I never seen you hiccup before. This is hilarious. You're starting to sweat. I can see it forming. You can have some water. Actually, no, wait. I don't want you to contaminate that bottle.
Water would just make it worse. It won't help at all.
Oh wait, let me see the sweat on your forehead. Intense.
Wasabi peanut.
Your eyes are. Oh man, your eyes are bloodshot.
Oh my god, my throat is burning.
That's hot.
Your eyes are bloodshot. This is great.
It's crying.
It's pretty awesome.
Okay, I think I'm good.
You want a bottle?
No, I'm good.
Do you want some
I'll
milk?
take that for you.
Thank you.
We got a killer horseradish too. You want to try the horseradish?
No, I'm good.
I can't with horseradish.
Okay, I don't want this.
You don't?
You know, actually in a chili or something, or if you make your own sauce, it's actually pretty good. You know, like a drop or two. What you had, you could add to your soup. You know what I mean?
Oh.
That would be a horrible prank. You could probably send someone to the hospital for that.
It's pretty intense.
I need some.
You want to try the
No.
It took you a lot better than I thought you would. I thought you'd be on the floor.
I know.
It's a secure lip.
Kevin.
Chili rice cracker. His I had his brother tried I think it was called Dave's Insanity.
Yeah, we have it right over there.
So I had him try that. I had like a probably had like a 1 ounce of it, and I told him to try it, and he tried to act all tough, and he took a whole scoop,
Oh man.
and he ate that. Next thing you know, he was on the ground, just bloodshot red, sweating like crazy, and I was pouring milk down his throat. It was terrible.